We all desire optimal digestion. It's essential for our overall well-being. But what happens when digestion goes awry? Many turn to digestive aids for help. These supplements promise to ease digestive discomfort and improve nutrient absorption. But do they really deliver on these promises? Let's delve into the truth about digestive aids. Digestive issues can be complex and multifaceted. They can manifest as bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. While digestive aids are marketed as solutions, it's crucial to approach them with a discerning eye. Understanding their mechanisms of action and limitations is key to making informed decisions about their use. Digestive aids encompass a broad range of substances. They aim to support the body's natural digestive processes. Enzymes, for instance, help break down food molecules into smaller, more absorbable units. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria into the gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Fiber supplements add bulk to the stool, aiding in regular bowel movements. The human digestive system is a marvel of nature. It has evolved over millennia to effectively process the foods we consume. However, modern diets and lifestyles can sometimes disrupt this delicate balance. Processed foods, stress, and lack of exercise can all take a toll on our digestive health. Digestive aids are often marketed as a quick fix for these issues. While they can provide temporary relief for some individuals, they are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Addressing the root causes of digestive problems is crucial for long-term digestive well-being. Enzymes are proteins that facilitate chemical reactions in the body. In the context of digestion, digestive enzymes help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Lactase, for example, is an enzyme that breaks down lactose, the sugar found in milk. People with lactose intolerance often benefit from lactase supplements. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. They are often referred to as good bacteria because they help maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. Probiotics are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut. Fiber is an essential nutrient that our bodies cannot digest. It plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health by adding bulk to the stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber supplements can be beneficial for individuals who struggle to meet their daily fiber requirements through diet alone. Scientific evidence and expert opinions. The scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of digestive aids is, well, mixed. Some studies have shown promising results while others have been inconclusive. For instance, research on probiotics suggests that they may be helpful for conditions like antibiotic-associated diarrhea and irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. However, more research is needed to determine the optimal strains, dosages, and durations of probiotic use. Enzymes have also shown some benefit in clinical trials, particularly for individuals with specific digestive disorders like pancreatic insufficiency. However, the long-term effects of enzyme supplementation are not fully understood. Expert opinions on digestive aids vary. Some healthcare professionals believe they can be valuable tools for managing digestive issues, while others advise caution. It's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, including digestive aids. A balanced perspective. Digestive aids can play a role in supporting digestive health, but they are not a magic bullet. They work best when used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. It's important to approach digestive aids with realistic expectations. While they may provide temporary relief from symptoms, they are unlikely to cure underlying digestive disorders. Furthermore, it's crucial to choose digestive aids carefully and use them as directed. Not all supplements are created equal, and some may interact with medications or have unintended side effects. In conclusion, the truth about digestive aids lies somewhere in the middle. They can be helpful tools for some individuals, but they are not a substitute for a holistic approach to digestive health. If you're experiencing persistent digestive issues, consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of action. What has your experience been with digestive aids? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.